Want to know how to make an ATM menu in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So I'm just going to quickly explain you how it is done. So we just start by giving the user a starting balance, and then we loop a menu that keeps showing 4 options. So every time simply the user picks something, the program responds instantly, just like the real ATM. If the user checks balance, we show it. If they withdraw, we check if they have enough money before approving it. If they deposit, we add the amount to the balance. And if they choose exit, we simply close the ATM politely. So right here we have used a while loop right here, and we have used 4 options, that is balance checking, withdraw, deposit and exit, as you can see. So we just simply let the user choose by typing it the number. So if the user simply checks balance, we show it and do accordingly. The cool thing is, this project teaches you how switch cases, loops and user inputs simply works. So as you can see right here, we have used switch cases and if-else statements all together, which really helps. You can just simply copy up this code and modify it yourself. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.